There's only so much holding on. You can't take when you're fantastic.
What is this one?
Oh, wait.
My little. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's still your favorite person, Cindy CJ, and you guys, we have an unboxing today. So guys, I got this from homy. So let's unbox together. Can you guys see homy? So guys, homy, they're into handmade and personalized gifts. These are beautiful gifts that do not fade. So they're into handmade gifts like crochet bouquet, personalized necklace. So these are gift ideas. You guys know Easter is coming in a bit, yeah, so I don't know when I will upload this video, whether it's before Easter or after Easter. Anywho, they are into personalized gift items. So yeah, let's just open this. Let's open this. I'm super excited. Here we go. You guys, look at that. Okay, something fell off. Let's see what's this. Okay, this is like a card to my dear. Okay, like a card. Then anything you want to write, you can write at the back. It says, "Thank you for everything you have done for me." It's like a card. Oh, this is so cute. Can you guys see that? So cute. 10% coupon. Handcrafted, customized. homy, handcrafted, customized gift. This is beautiful. Okay, so this is about the brand crochet bouquet. Oh my god, look at that personalized jewelry. You guys, can you see this bouquet? Can you see? This is the purple one, so this is the pink one, and personalized photo gift. You guys, these are what they are into. All these beautiful things you're looking at, these are all they are into and more. Yeah, so homy, they are into handmade personalized gifts. This beautiful crochet bouquet. I mean, this is so beautiful. So they customize this bouquet for you. Anything you want them to write on it can be like customized exactly how you want it. Yeah, so let's open it and see it. Oh my god, can you guys see that? Can you guys see this? How did they do this? I mean, oh my god. And there's this little one here that says, "Thank you for your order." Can you guys see? Let me go back a bit. You guys, look at that bouquet. Look at that bouquet. Look at that bouquet. See, as I'm talking to you guys, I'll be sure to check my description for the link on how to purchase this beautiful crochet bouquet. You guys, can you guys see this? Can you guys, are you guys looking at what I'm showing you? This is so beautiful, guys. Check the screen right now. You can see the code right on the screen. Yeah, that's the code you need to shop this beautiful crochet bouquet. Yeah, and you will get $5 off this bouquet. So once you shop with this code on the screen, this code is also right in my description. So once you shop with this code, you'll be getting $5 off. Yeah, $5 off, and the link to shop this beautiful bouquet is also right in my description. So if I were you, head straight to my description right now to order this beautiful crochet bouquet. I don't know how they did it, but you guys, this thing is so beautiful. This thing is so beautiful. Can you guys see? Let me spread this thing a little bit so that you understand what I mean. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at that and tell me what you think. You guys, oh my god. Look at this beautiful one. So it's like a sunflower. These are beautiful flowers. This is so beautiful. I don't know how they did this, but this thing is crochet like. It's just as it is for ever and ever, you know. So Easter is by the corner. If you're looking for something to gift that special someone, can you guys see? So Easter is right by the corner. If you're looking for something special to gift that special someone in your life, it could be your mom, your wife, your daughter, your girlfriend, your sister, your grandma, anybody at all, this is a perfect gift idea. This is a perfect gift idea because as you can see, it is so beautiful. You can customize it. You can write anything you want to write on top by here. You can write anything, that's customizing it here, and give to that special someone. And trust me, the person will really appreciate this because you don't get to see this type of thing all the time. So this is like a very special gift for someone special in your life. Be sure to order this crochet bouquet. The link, the code is right in my description. It's also ideal for Christmas, birthdays, that special person in your life that her birthday is right by the corner. This is me now giving you gift idea, okay? Birthdays, and you can also use it as your home decoration. Yeah, you just keep it somewhere in your home because trust me, this is really beautiful, you guys. This is super beautiful. So let me cover it back up. Oh my god, oh my god, this is super beautiful. Head straight to my description now, use that code and shop for $5 off. The good thing is that YS Homy, they deliver ASAP, as in it doesn't take long. Before you know it, your order is right at your doorstep. So be sure to order this beautiful crochet bouquet and you'll be glad you did. Trust me, you will be glad you did.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you hold
one? Come and show me.
Mommy, this is our store.
Okay. No running, behave. So we just left the party place. Adeze's friend, we did our birthday party today. I forgot to introduce the vlog before I left because I was pretty much in a hurry, and we just finished. It was a beautiful event. The kids had fun, a lot of things to play with. It was fun. And yeah, we're going home. Outfit of the day.
Bouquet, me. Bouquet,
Let me eat the sandwich. I'm hungry.
I want to have my sandwich.
Now that I'm having it, I'm full.
And me, I want to eat mine.
Like this.
Let me come and look at the camera.
Hello.
So you just came out of your friend's birthday party, yeah? How was the party?
It was great.
Was he? Where is Soso? Soso, you can't see him. You put that in. Soso, put that in there.
Hey, my balance.
So, did you enjoy yourself at the party?
That is mine. Oh, sorry.
Did you?
Yep. But I didn't.
So we just left the party place. We had fun. It was all shades of fun, yeah. And we are heading home now. So it was a sandwich they gave them. I'm just munching on some. We'll talk to you guys later.
And you guys won.
Mommy, say hi.
Hi.
Nobody is seeing you there.
Hi.
Hi, friends.
Alright, catch you guys later.
What
They catch me because my at home. Did you finish your drink? Hey y'all, how you all doing? Welcome back again to the channel. You see your favorite person, Cyndy CJAY. So the girls are on Easter break, yeah. So I'm coming. So I took Adeze to an African store where we went to buy a few things because we plan on cooking soup tomorrow. So we said let's go check in the African store if you are going to see Liv. So I took her. So she's there to show you guys what she bought in the African store. So unpack with Adeze. Come on. Here's your shopping. No, it's not that one. This one. This one is the things you bought in the African store. So show guys what you bought. So
We got Maggie.
what is this one?
It's Maggie.
Maggie. How is this a Maggie?
Look, it's Maggie.
It's not Maggie, babes. This is
Mommy got me
Leaf.
something.
Oh my god, that's not Maggie. Oh, this is
Oh my
leaf.
goodness.
Oha leaf. Say Oha leaf.
I have let's
Say Oha leaf.
Oh, leaf.
This is leaf. It's not
Mom, I
Maggie.
can say it.
Don't you know Maggie? Go and bring Maggie for me.
Mommy, what did I say?
So we bought Oha leaf.
Holly.
We bought 2 Oha leaf.
It's your baby
This
talk.
and this fresh Oha leaf.
You need to brush this in.
£2.50 each.
£5.
This is Maggie.
So this is Maggie. This one is for Oha leaf. £2.50.
Here we go. Put your
£2.50
vaccine back.
each. 5,500. 5,500 in naira. Then we bought ugu leaf, fresh pepper, ugu £2.50, £3 for this pepper, and this Oha leaf we bought for £2.50 each, £2.50 for the Oha leaf, £2.50, £2.50. That's for each £2.50, £2.50. What is it?
Guys, I got plantain. I got it £2
Each, yeah.
each.
And then we got this otazeli. This is otazeli.
It's Maggie. You like this, Maggie?
Yeah, I got this otazi leaf for £2.50 as well. So this is otazi leaf. So we bought this okra for wait for £3. So bring a plate. Let's put it. So what is this? Okra. Not okra. Okra. So it's a lot. So this for £3.
This sounds a bit spicy to me.
Does it? Well, it's not sharp now. So it will not. So we also bought this oat poundo. So this oat poundo is sold for £13, and it is how many kg? It is 4 kg. Can you guys see 4 kg for £13? Yeah.
And this one up here, jammed. It says jam.
Do you still want to show guys?
Guys, we got these lovely stickers. This one is mine, and this one is Sasa's own.
Is it?
They look so beautiful.
So the thing is, we also stopped by, is it Poundland? Yeah, we stopped at Poundland and bought a couple of things. So this got the sticker.
And can we take them to school?
We also stopped in Primark and bought bits and pieces. You know. So this one is like a headband. It's like something like this I'm wearing. So it was supposed to be 4, but it was sold for 2. It was on sales. So I got this gloves. So this one was supposed to be £2.50, but it was sold for £1. So yeah, 4 for 2. Yeah. This hair stuff, £4.50, but for £1. It's like a scrunchie. It's supposed to be £2.50, but also for 50p. Yeah, I have something like this, but I bought another one. Yeah, and this one was supposed to be £3.50, but it was sold for £2. Yeah. So I think those are all the things we got from Primark. And then let me show you guys the ones we bought from Poundland.
Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to play with my sister.
Just this my bowl. So this food container, this one and this one. So this one is 3, and this one is 4. Yeah, so that's 4, and this one is 3. So this one now, maybe if I want to do more or something, I think I can use this. So I think I have food containers right now.
I got this Peppa Pig headband, and I even got this kitty cat cup.
And I got this, this is like a medication thingy, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, AMs, and then this is PMs. Just maybe if you are traveling and you don't want to carry loads of medication, you can just pop them in here. I don't have need for this, to be honest. I just saw it, I said, let me just buy it and keep, just in case. I have it for it.
I even found this unicorn pencil, if I can write it.
So now I put this toothpaste.
And I even...
I'll give you the... Don't go close to the camera. If not, if you're watching it in a big screen like your TV, your head will be so big. Your head will cover the screen. So you move back a bit, just like so. Okay?
Okay, guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to eat this.
That is not for eating. This girl. This soup pepper. Soup pepper.
Whoa!
Come out.
I just hit my cocoa head.
I'm going to end that vlog.
Okay.
Careful.
Where's the end vlog?
The red place. No.
Oh.
Here.